Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Era. Today we will discuss how to write integration symbol in MS Word. So let us start the video. Open your MS Word. Click on right side arrow, then on left side home, insert, and then on equation, then on box, tap to slash button, then write INT and press on space bar. X to power 2, press space bar, dx is equal to x to the power 3 by 3 plus c. Press on enter button. Again right side click, home, insert and equation. Tap on this box. Now again press on slash button. Now INT space bar. Now 0. No. Press underline, then 0, then power to 1. Press space bar and write in this box x power 2 space bar dx is equal to x bracket x to the power 3 by 3 bracket closed. Again press on space bar, then on underline, then 0 raised to 1 and press to space bar, plus C, the constant of integration. Again press on enter. Now click on arrow on right side, then home and on left side, and then insert, and then on equation. Tap in the box is equal to 1 by 3 minus 0 plus C is equal to 1 by 3 plus C. Answer. Go to back, click here and click here. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.